Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be reviewing two products from Donna's recipe. And right now, my hair is ready to be washed and ready to be styled. So let's get into it, guys. So right here is the Donna's recipe whipped vanilla cream curl defining mousse. And it's said to be lightweight, crunch free, soft touchable hold for curly, coily, and wavy hair types, made with clean ingredients. It's gluten free, color safe, and it retails for $15.99 at Ulta Beauty. And you can also go on the website from Donna's recipe. I think Tabitha Brown's website, and you can order it there as well. And this is how the mousse look. And this right here, guys, is the Donna's recipe whipped vanilla cream edge gel. And this is said to be non-flaking. It has a long-lasting hold for everyday or creative styles. It's created to nourish, enhance shine, and smooth edges without causing damage to the edges. And it's made with clean ingredients, it's gluten-free, it's color safe, and it retails for $10.99 at Ulta Beauty. Again, you can purchase it on Tabitha Brown's site as well, and this is what it looks like. It doesn't feel too loose. It has like a nice thick texture, but it's very soft feeling as well. So guys, I'm just going to do a braid set with the mousse, and I have my side shaved. And yes, I got to get a touch up on my haircut, but I just wanted to review the mousse and see how it lays down my side. Just from the touch, it's very soft. So I'm going to let that dry, and I'm going to start retwisting my locks, and I'm going to do a braid set. And I'm just going to take 3 locks at a time as I retwist them, and I'm going to braid them using the Donna's recipe mousse. The mousse feels very good, but I can say for the side where my hair is shaved, it feels a little thick, like it's just a little bit of buildup, but not too much of a buildup, but it just feels a little thicker than the mousse I normally use. So guys, I'm going to continue to retwist my whole head, and I'm going to braid set my whole head using this mousse. I'm also going to take the edge control, and I'm going to lay down my edges, and I'm going to tie that down, and I'm going to sleep with it overnight, and I will come back to you guys the very next morning to show you how it turned out, because I'm going to unravel it all. Again, it feels a little bit thick on the sides of my hair from the mousse. And again, yes, this is the next morning with my hair unraveled and my edges laid down. I really like how it turned out. Again, the next morning, my edges wasn't laid down like it normally lays down compared to the other mousse I use, but it does feel pretty good. That's my edges, and I'm going to show you guys a little closer view. It did lay down my edges. The edge control gel laid down my edges pretty well, but some of it is lifting up, and I will show you guys that. But guys, again, yes, this is how my curls turned out. It turned out beautifully, but my hair feels a little rough, a little hard, and it normally doesn't using the mousse that I normally use. But again, that's where it's lifting up right there. But all in all, guys, I'll repurchase these products. Let me know if you do.